everyone, welcome to my kitchen. This dessert is perfect for any occasion and will definitely impress your guest with its stunning layers and amazing flavors. The combination of juicy pineapple chunks, creamy custard, and milk crust creates a heavenly taste that will leave you wanting more. Take rusk. Keep it in a plastic bag. Crush it with the help of rolling pin. Rusk is crushed nicely. If you don't have milk crust, you can also use digestive biscuits. Take glasses or bowl as per your choice. Fill the first layer with crushed rusk in it. Arrange it nicely. Take canned pineapple in a bowl with its juice. Soak the crushed rusk with pineapple juice like this. Add chopped canned pineapple on top. Take a bowl, add milk in it. Add corn flour in it. Whisk it well. Heat kadhai. Add milk in it. Bring it to boil. Add sugar. Mix well. Stir it nicely. Add corn flour mix slurry and keep stirring to avoid lumps. And cook for 2 to 3 minutes till it thickens. Add fresh cream in it. Mix and close the heat. Cool down a little. Pour it in the glasses. Garnish it with pineapple, crushed milk crust, and a pineapple wafer on top. Serve it chilled. Enjoy! Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.